y'all, and welcome back. Today I want to share with y'all our new laundry detergent mixture that we've been using. I'll show you the three that we're using to mix together, how much they cost, and how much to use for one load of laundry. It seems to be working great. I'll show you how it cleans some white t-shirts. Okay, let's go over our three laundry detergents that we bought to mix together to make our laundry detergent. We went with the Roma, and it's this size bag that you can pick up at Walmart or mostly everywhere. I gave $1.48 for it, and it showed that made it 8.4 cents an ounce. Okay, now this is the Ariel. The bag is a little bit bigger on this one, and this one right here, it does come with the Downy mixed into it, the fabric softener, if you wanted to try that one, but we just went with the regular Ariel to this time just to give this laundry detergent a try. I gave $5.47 for it, and it showed that this one was 7.8 cents an ounce. And then they had this one, I think he pronounced that Foca, I'm not really sure, but this is the size bag, and this one right here was $2.48, and it made it 7.0 cents an ounce. Now a lot of people are mixing these two together and doing it for their laundry detergent, but I decided since this one was so cheap and it still would make it go and stretch further, I was going to go ahead and add this little bag to mine also and just see if I liked it. So we're going to mix these three together, and I'm going to wash something and let y'all see how good it gets my clothes clean. But first we're going to mix this together, and then we'll show you how we're going to use it. And now the way I'm going to do mine is I'm just going to use this big black garbage bag to put all three of them in to blend it together all the way to make it a lot easier. So we're just going to start by putting the one that's called Roma in first. And I'm going to let y'all see how that looks once you open it. You've got little blue and purple, and even some green little pieces in there. And it does have a good smell. Not a real strong smell, but it does smell good. Now we make the homemade laundry detergent all the time. And I've even got a video on that, where you use your Thales naphtha, your washing soda, baking soda, and borax. But today I'm trying this just to see how this works. Close up of the Roma, what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to put this one in there. Oh, now look at this. This one right here is like a light blue. It has just a tiny smell to it, not much. Now you can go online and even order the bigger bags of all three of these detergents, I believe, if you want to make a real big batch. That probably would last you even close to a year. For just Travis and myself, this batch right here will last Travis and myself probably about 3 months maybe. And now we're going to open up the Ariel. And if I'm getting all these names of these detergents wrong, I'm sure somebody will tell me in the comments down below. Now let me show you this one. This one is blue with just a little bit of pink and white little bits in it. And this one right here, whoo, it smells real good. It does have a strong smell. It's almost like a bluish purple, sort of. And I got a helper over here trying to help me. So now we're going to give it a real good mix. I'm just going to pick up my trash bag. And we're just going to start mixing it around. Just make sure you hold it closed. And now we're going to put it in our jar that I put some of our washing detergent in when it's the powder form. I'm just going to cut the end out of it and hope this goes good. Okay, this right here made more than my jar can handle. So I'm going to have to find something else to put the rest of it in. Because I want to leave me room for my scooper in there. Okay, this is how much we got. I had to actually find me a bucket to put it in, so I'll keep it stored in this, and this will be the one that I use out of. And now we're going to mix up a batch. Okay, now the way I'm going to try it, everybody's recipes, I guess, on this is different because I've seen quite a few. But what I'm going to do for a small load is I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup of my powder. And that's what it looks like all mixed together. And then I'm going to mix some water with it. And now I'm just going to mix it together real good. You could use a whisk for this, but now if your washer is the kind that you're supposed to use the liquid detergent, you can take this and add a little water with it and make this cheaper version washing powders into a liquid. And I've seen where a lot of people are saying they don't even have to use bleach much on even white clothes and towels. So I've got some white t-shirts that we're going to wash and see how this works. And now if I was going to do some of Travis's stained clothes or some with like grease on them, I would probably double this to make it stronger for bad clothes like greasy clothes, grass stains. But for just our white t-shirts that we're going to wash, just to see how this works, we used 1/4 cup. Okay, here's our white t-shirts, and you can tell where he's been working in them. You've got a little bit of stain going on right there. So now we're going to wash these and see what this remedy of washing detergent can do. Okay, we're going to pour it in there real slow. Let it drain. And you could probably just put it straight in there on top of your clothes, but I went ahead and done it this way just for the video. I may do it on top of my clothes next load. Now let's see how our white t-shirts turn out. and if these three detergents together will work as good as our Tide. Okay, y'all, so we got this much laundry detergent for around $14.50. Okay, we just got our white t-shirts out of the washer. So let's see how they look. Now this is the one that I showed y'all, because it does have this spot right here that I've never got anything to get it down, and it did come a little bit more cleaner. It had some bad grease on it when he was working. But you do remember this is the one that we looked at with the collar that had the little stain, and look how much whiter it came. And that is with no bleach at all. Okay, y'all, I hope you give this new laundry detergent a try. Get the 3 or even the 2 and mix them together and see if you like it. It might help you save a little bit of money and come out just a little cheaper by the load. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.